In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple PDF files and have them in one document. And I'm going to do that using iLovePDF, a very cool free PDF editor, online PDF editor that you can always edit and do some of the basic operations that you want to do with PDF online. You can download it completely free. So if you want to, you can come to ilovepdf.com, and once you're here, you can see merge PDF. So what that is what I'm looking for. So select PDF files. You can as well drag and drop. So let's say I have this, possibly this as well. So these are 3 PDF documents, and I can just go ahead, hit on enter. And you can see all of them have been imported. So all I need is to specify which one comes first. I can drag, I can move across, can have this come first, or this comes the middle, this comes first, depending on my choice. Assuming this is what I want, I can go ahead and see match PDF, and this is now going to your PDFs have been matched. So you can just click to download, and all the 3 PDFs are now in one document in the order in which I have specified during the arrangement. Okay, so you can see everything in here. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.